Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. We're in the Adams Park neighborhood, and today we're going to preview this beautiful, brand new construction, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home you see here behind me. I really like it, and I think you're going to like it too. Very nice, custom all throughout. And make sure, if you do like this video, and I know you will, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to this channel, and when you subscribe and give thumbs up, it motivates me to put out more and more content. And leave a comment below if you have a question about this house or any other house on my channel. I answer every single comment on my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. And don't forget, if you're looking to buy or sell a house, look in the description below. There's a free buyer's guide and a free seller's guide. Totally free for you guys, complimentary for watching the video. And I want to see you in the inside of this house. So let's get it started. We're on the way to take a look at this stunning new construction, 4-bedroom, 3-bath contemporary home in Southwest Atlanta, Georgia. It is located in the Adams Park neighborhood, and it is a 10-minute walk to the Alfred Tup Golf Course, close to the Atlanta Beltline, and less than a 20-minute drive to downtown Atlanta. It is listed by Hector Mozzini for Virtual Properties Realty, and this modern family home is a must-see. This open concept floor plan is bright and airy and has lots of upgrades throughout, including high ceilings, high-end finishes, custom lighting, and hardwoods throughout. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and opens to the family room with an inviting fireplace and dining room area. The owner suite has a cozy fireplace, covered deck, walk-in closet, and spa bath with a waterfall shower and uniquely designed soaking tub. The upper level also has access to a large deck overlooking the level backyard, which has a privacy fence that is perfect for gatherings and fun with pets. This Fulton County home is conveniently located to Cascade Elementary, Young Middle, and Mays High School. I'm excited to show you this amazing home. Let's start your tour. All right, we're back. What did you think about this 4-bedroom, 3-bath house here behind me? I really liked it. Custom, modern, open concept. I really liked it. I like the back deck as well. And the lighting was really, really nice. The fixtures were great. All right, so if you liked it too, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. And make sure you leave a comment. If you have a question about this house or any other house on my channel, I answer every single comment, like I've said before, and I will definitely answer yours as well. So once again, this has been Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia, Adams Park neighborhood. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Peace.